Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify robots.txt rules with Google testing tool. To start verifying your robots.txt rules, first, navigate to your web browser. Open the Google Search Console. If you don't have an account, create one and add your website. Once logged in, find the left-hand menu and click on Settings. From there, select Crawl and then robots.txt tester option. This will take you to the robots.txt tester tool. You may see a default file displayed, which is auto-generated by Google. If your site already has a robots.txt, it will appear here. If not, you can create a new one in this section. To test specific rules, enter a path you want to restrict or allow in the provided field. Next, select the user agent for which you want to verify the rules. You can choose Googlebot or other user agents as needed. After setting this up, click on the Test button. The tool will process your request and display the results. Check the output to see if the path is allowed or disallowed. Red highlights indicate where the rules block access. Green highlights indicate paths that are accessible. If you need to make adjustments, alter the rules in the text area. After changing the rules, click Submit to see updated results. You can repeat this process for different paths and user agents as needed. Once satisfied, download or copy your final robots.txt for implementation. Upload the finalized robots.txt file to the root of your website. Use an FTP client or your website's hosting control panel for this step. Finally, confirm the changes were applied by retesting the updated file in the tool. This ensures that all rules are functioning as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.